Well, with Dorian now churning off the Florida coast, the Red Cross is getting its disaster relief in place. 38 Red Cross volunteers have been sent from Pennsylvania, with 4 of them coming from the Erie County chapter. A 5th local volunteer will be leaving for South Carolina early tomorrow. This is the 5th hurricane response for David Morino of Edinburgh, who says he'll be helping with sheltering and the wide range of services that involves.
We put them up in places to stay, feed them, make sure the medications are all right. Just a whole bunch of different things that we do there.
We'll soon need damage assessment, more emergency distribution of supplies, additional sheltering depending on what happens. So we do expect that this is just the first round going out.